It's 2018.
Now what?
What is that, delayed reaction?
Yes, I know. I wasn't ready. You were so quick and hyper.
Man, oh man, guys, we're closing out 2017. We're coming into 2018. Hopefully you guys had safe holidays and all that stuff, and you're not waking up today with a headache. And yeah, so we're going to just talk about things that we accomplished in 2017, what we would like to get done in 2018, and then we're going to also, like we did last year, leave it open for you guys to leave comments down below on what you would like to see happen on our channel. But before we start off, Stacy wants to inform you that if you're missing being cuckooed right here, it's because we have taken the cuckoo clock in for service, and it's getting a major smackdown, and it will be back with us momentarily.
It's been really hard. It hasn't been cuckooing. I miss it so much because it just wasn't like working properly. We've had it for
years,
15 years or so. Yeah, we've had a long time.
And I did a little video about cleaning them. That's kind of a very surfacey type of thing. So we have a master clock dude in our area, so we took it to him, and he's doing the master clock dude stuff to it, and then we'll be getting it back. So
then you can look forward to being cuckooed again, because I miss it in here. I miss in the ticks. I miss everything about it.
I love that guy that came out to the Heirloom Expo in Santa Rosa, and he wrote, "I got cuckooed with Doug and Stacy."
Yeah, that was great.
He wrote that on his t-shirt. It's in this video right here in case you guys missed it. I love that. It was awesome. So if you're watching, thanks for putting a smile on my face with that one. I loved it. So now we're going to get into it. You know, things that, okay, first off, we put that video up last year. It's right here. And it was 2017, now what? And then we asked you guys for your input on what you would like to see us do or accomplish on our homestead.
So now it is tradition. Oh, tradition, say it. Like
tradition.
That movie, Fiddler on the Roof, is wonderful. So if you have not seen it, you have to see it.
Yeah. So some of the things you guys wrote down were, like you wanted to see us build a greenhouse.
Check.
And then you wanted to see the outdoor kitchen build.
Check.
Then you also said you wanted to see like more gardening, like putting the garden in, because remember last year we had just started with the raised beds, so we hadn't fully gone into gardening systems.
That's a check.
Yep. And then you guys said that you wanted to see more cooking on the sun oven videos, because you're very curious about how to operate and cook on a sun oven.
Yeah, check.
And then you guys said you wanted more fermenting videos, because Stacy was starting to unleash the fermenting on you.
That's a check.
And then you guys said we'd really like to see the root cellar built.
The ground is way too frozen to get it done.
I was so close to getting it done, guys. I ran into a couple snags, and then the weather. No kidding, we are fighting the good fight. It's been like -12 last night. Today's high is like 3, and this is totally out of our ballpark for temps, and especially for this long. We've had these temperatures now going on like a week, 7, 10,
no, more than, no,
10 days,
yeah,
11 days, and they're supposedly going on all this week too, where we're having like the hottest part of the day is at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I mean, this is nuts. So every day is progressively worse, but I am keeping the cisterns alive. You know, we do have a water problem at the hydrant. I'll take you guys along on that for that fix. And yeah, it's just
everything's freezing. You got to do your animals water a couple times a day. I mean, it is.
Oh, it's been brutal.
It's very,
It's but this is the off-grid life we chose, and we love it. And it keeps us out of these chairs, so we're not just hanging out with you guys all day. So let's see, what else did you guys talk about? Oh, you wanted to see more herbal and foraging stuff?
Yeah,
that's kind of a check. Yeah, we did some videos about that. So we really knocked them out, except for the ice house and the root cellar. So stay tuned. I already have them in the plans. They're going to be early part of 2018.
So
not that far behind.
Yeah, that'll be the first big thing that you do for 2018. So I think now we're doing the root cellar, and then we're going to move on to, what do you think will be the second thing you'll do?
I don't know. For 2018, for me, I think my goals are definitely going to be getting the guest house in, and then also having this like a meeting place where we can do some classroom stuff and get our learning center off the ground. So if you guys didn't get a t-shirt on our last go round, keep your eyes open. We have a couple more t-shirt campaigns coming out, and all that money is all going towards trying to get that done so we can teach people hands-on how to live this lifestyle. We've had tons of requests for people that want to come and spend time here and learn this stuff hands-on, for people who are actually doing it. I mean, living the pioneer lifestyle in the 21st century. That's my new saying for 2018.
Yeah, because you know what it is it's like, we've been there. We've been doing it.
Yeah.
Things work sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
Some things may work, but then we find a better way over the years, because I know how we started our first year and what we are doing now is totally different.
Not totally, but we made a lot of modifications.
Different things.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you find things that works easier and easier. We always talk about aging in place.
Yeah, that's
so
huge.
that's huge.
Yeah.
But you're doing all the big man stuff. I have a big goal that for 2018, I want a whole bunch of evergreens.
Yeah, we're gonna put some evergreen
around
trees
the back
in.
of the house, because we have such strong north winds to help break. Because we had planted tons of trees back there and around when we first moved in, but we had the worst drought that we had had.
Well, that wasn't the real problem.
years
Was
ago,
she
I
rushed
guess.
me into it, and against my better judgment, I went ahead and planted them for her just to make a happy wife, happy life. And all of them but 3 ended up dying because we planted them in spring, and you really shouldn't do that.
You plant in the fall.
You plant in the fall, guys. If you guys want to put in trees around your place, even you know, whatever kind of trees, fall planting is the best for large rooted species. Because that way they go dormant and they're in their new home when they wake up, and it's just a lot easier for
Then they're
care.
happy then. Yeah. So in this fall, we're going to be planting more trees.
It's all their fall.
And some more. And now we're going to plant some fruit trees.
Yeah, more fruit trees, more berries, more elderberries, more blackberries. No, not more blackberries. More elderberries, more.
Well, that's in the spring. We'll
more
plant
other
that
stuff
easy.
like that. Yeah, actually, we have our cuttings on the way from Terry at River Hills Harvest. So he's got those for sale. If you guys go hit his website. He was the guy we did this video with right here, and we
Great
talked about
video.
elderberries. Took you on, you know, that was one of the things I think for 2017 I really did like was the Field Trip Friday videos.
And we're going to be starting with those again. So Field Trip Fridays, I can't wait. We're starting up with those again.
Yeah, I really did like them, and I think you guys really like them too. So leave a comment down below if you definitely want to see Field Trip Friday continue. Also, let's see. So she wants to have more trees, but what's your other goals for 2018?
Well, I have a goal that I have for you that if you notice his face.
How come they're all my goals?
He's growing a mustache.
Yeah, I don't know how long that's going to go.
Yeah, he doesn't like it. I want him to grow it. So that's why he looks kind of rough now, but he'll have it soon because he's pretty hairy and his hair grows quick.
Yeah, so I don't know what kind of goal that is, but what other goals you got for 2018?
2018, I think I would like to just be a better, I just want to be a better gardener, do more gardening videos, do things on, you know.
She's a good gardener,
right
we just don't film it a lot.
Yeah, and just kind of get more out there. I want to do more in the greenhouse once it gets all set up. I like microgreens and sprouting and all different things like that. Maybe doing more recipes, showing me gardening, and then putting recipes in with the
I think, she has goals for me for 2018. I think one of my goals for her for 2018 is to write her cookbook.
Yeah, I'll get it done. I have to get it done this.
We got it right here on video, and people are going to leave comments down below. We want your cookbook in 2018.
Okay.
That's it.
That's a promise.
It's done.
I'm going to do it. Now I'm going to do it in the
Pinky
next
promise?
few months.
Oh,
Before
you saw
spring.
right here.
I'll do it before spring.
Before spring.
Before spring.
Wow. So we'll have an ebook coming out, Stacy's Homestead Homey Cookbook.
Yeah, I'll do it before spring gets here.
Wow, that's good. I like that. So other than that, man, it's just been a big bang boom year traveling around. We did a lot of upgrades to the cabin too. New floors, new doors, new stove, new walls, new ceilings, new blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, we did some landscaping. Like we have all this river rock and everything.
Yeah,
so
everything's
we're going to
tweaking
try to get this all tidied up and nice.
Yeah.
So everything is good.
I mean, if you want to live this lifestyle, like Tom Petty said, you don't have to live like a refugee. I mean, you can have a very nice place, and then no matter what income that you're working with, you can always have a nice place. And believe me, it's actually proven that if you keep your stuff kind of tidied up and you keep your things aesthetically pleasing, even to just yourself, it makes for more shalom, more peace in yourself. Like when you come out or when you wake up and, things are decluttered and it's not just a big mess all the time. It actually does something inside of you that makes you feel better. So try
maybe
that out.
a goal, I need to be a better cleaner too.
Yeah! No, you do a good job cleaning. She just doesn't like the fine cleaning. She does a good job.
What's hard with a wood burning cook stove and then you live off of gravel. Yeah, you cannot keep the dust. Is just in a matter of a day or a matter of an hour.
My great grandma will be
everywhere.
like,
yeah.
shut your mouth.
She didn't have a wood burning stove.
Yeah. My great grandma? Oh, well, sure.
Did she live on gravel?
Well, sure.
That's tough.
She lived all that country life. Most people's great-grandparents did.
I have lots of goals for you.
Long time ago.
And then he needs to build a dock on our pond.
I'm gonna build a dock on the pond.
And we need a deck.
Oh,
right?
my gosh.
We have lots to do.
Woo. All right, so that's our 2018. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us accomplish here on the channel for 2018. Thanks a lot, guys, for always tuning in, checking out our daily videos. It really means a lot to us. We really like the friendships that we've made. We get out and meet you guys. We hear your stories. We love that stuff. So leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see. As always, you can.
Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And our puppy Maggie is doing great. If anybody is interested, she's doing great.
She had legs like this. Now she's got legs like this, like a little giraffe.
Grown up hair now. She's getting her little Airedale grown up hair now.
Yeah. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. See ya. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.